Boom, 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 boom. So people, what we're about to do now, we're about to get into something historical. And we are about to speak to, and I do not say this lightly, I'm saying this gentleman is one of the greatest of all time. When it comes to this reggae dancehall thing, I mean, not joke, I mean, not say that lightly. Powerman, respect, sir.
No, so what am I saying? Candyman 45 shop.
Why?
One in the building.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Again, I just want to show my gratitude. Thank you for taking time out of your morning to spend with us here to talk about some of your music. So before we get into that, could you please just tell the people a bit about yourself and what you're doing right now?
Okay, well, this is Power Stone, Michael Powerman. Yes. Man of many names. Saying, well, you don't know right now, we're in Brooklyn, New York, you know. Saying, Brooklyn is my new home. Yeah, the family and the kids, everybody here, so you don't know. We here, we in the building. We're doing it for a minute, yeah? And guess what now, no? Candyman is all about music has just gotten better. Music has just gotten nicer. Music has just gotten sweeter.
Glad to hear that.
Yeah, because guess what now? We are in America, we are in the system, and we are using the system to our advantage. Like we're going to schools, and we're checking out what they have to offer.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's not only the music alone we're doing right now. Because more time, when you have the music alone, it gets pressuring. Especially if you are not in the top 10, as you know. Yeah, you know, you're not in the top 10. And every day a new sensation rise. Come a virgin never come and say, yo, you know the new sensation in Jamaica and give me 6 names. I mean, I say, what? So you see, the music keep evolving.
Yes.
So although you're great and although we have a skill and although we have a craft, music is art and craft. More time we have the art, but you still have to have the craft.
Yes, of course.
You still have to have other means.
Yes, definitely.
You have to have business, you have to have other things that come in. That's when a man call you about music, you know, look frightened, you know, look hungry, you know, just ready to take any little thing. A man can offer you all a plate of curry goat and say, all right, just come perform. Then you have to have standards.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, I just want to touch, I mean, one of the reasons why I had to speak to you was because I personally like to salute living legends, you see me? So I say this a lot.
Uncle Ox, respect.
Yeah, man. Kid Corrupt. So I want to say something to about, you know, last, couple weeks back, we lost one of Kid Corrupt brother them, Mr. Chicken.
Chicken was also my brother. As you know, I posted me, Chicken, round General B, my blood just run cold.
Wow.
Yeah, we were on our way back years ago. We were on our way to do an event for Buju Banton in Trelawney.
Yes.
And on the way, we stopped to do a show for these politicians for a large sum of money.
Yes.
But you know the thing, go, you're there in Jamaica, you take some money, but you don't know, we have to honor Buju same record, Buju our artist friend.
Yeah.
So we have to try to reach a Buju show now in time, and Buju start calling out, where the man them there? One of there. And we have to say, yo, we can't make Buju feel like we this and him, you know. So we decide to go excessive speed, because when we look at it, get to 4 in the morning, and we are trying to reach Trelawney. Well, you don't know that going on. As I sat behind Roundhead. Roundhead was the one driving. And I said, Roundhead, you see them road there? Although them look straight and pretty, them would just turn a corner and a gravel pan your instance. And as I could have said so, we just buck up on a gravel road with a L turn. And me only when Roundhead said, Jesus Christ. And the car hit the banking. We can't laugh about it now. And when it hit the banking, it went in the air. And for a moment, I thought I was in an airplane. Because we were waiting for that car to hit the ground.
Yes.
When the car hit the ground now, it was a different story because we all blacked out. And what we later learned, that it was cliff pan cliff, like precipice pan precipice. And we stopped at the second to last one.
Yeah.
If we had went over the next one, would have went upside it down in the Braze River, I think.
Yeah.
And we'd have all drowned because everything was in darkness and we could not see. Because even when the car upside it down, it's like we are scrabble for come out. We don't know we don't know how the car said because it's dark. You know, if it's upside down and rear. And when we force and come out, I remember as I pushed out one of the windows and came out. And stand up, I remember just falling back to the ground instantly. I was so dizzy that I just fell back on the ground. Boop! And we were there. Everybody was saying, chicken, 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 where's chicken? And all we could hear, where's the chicken dead? Chicken dead, chicken dead, chicken. Chicken was the last one to wake, man.
Wake up.
Yeah, man, he was terrified, but he was a fighter. So to chicken dead where there we said, boy, what that low blood pressure thing, because we know say low blood pressure, because I think I'd see him and help kill my mother too, you know.
Yes.
The low blood pressure is terrible than the high blood pressure. Because the low blood pressure make you black out.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that really claimed chicken life, you know. May God rest his soul.
Of course, of course. And, you know, so this is, I mean, that has inspired me to speak to the likes of you, Ronald, and, you know, a lot of the giants in the game, because we don't want to heal you up and pin something by you when you're gone, you know? So I want to, you know, try and show my appreciation. Me little, you know, I don't have 1 million followers, but I'm...
True, because more time people, them don't know if you honor your hard work when you work, and then now, when time people gone, them are say the good things. That would have a benefit.
Exactly.
Because not even your kids, them not going to want to hear that. Because them are so hurt, because them daddy or them mommy never get those honor while they were alive.
Yes. Yes. So, I mean, so again, this is why I have nothing but utmost gratitude to you for coming to spend this time with me here, because, you know, I definitely am one that appreciates your work, because I'm a 45 collector. So since I've been loving reggae dancehall music from when me a youth, man, since I heard your voice, your name was always up there, and you have tunes, thousands of tunes and hundreds of big songs. But because how the game goes, I think how it is when it comes to reggae dancehall, it's like people we chase the hype, but not always the quality.
Yeah, and it's so unfortunate with our music. It's like people, we're not doing the music the right way then.
Yes.
Let me explain why we're not doing the music the right way. We think it's a rush. And this thing start from Pinchers them days. Well, we try to put out a new song every week. That's not how music is done. We're doing it wrong. And we don't introduce that to the fans already, so them learn to accept it. But it's wrong. If you notice Rihanna, you can't tell Rihanna to put out a new song now.
No way.
Because she know how music is supposed to be done.
Yes.
And you can't tell Alicia Keys and them girl about put out a new song now. And just our people and our culture about them not hear a tune this week or next week. Boy, I'm not again them still. They're so and it hurt me, man.
Yeah.
It hurt me. That's why even when artists like Buju stand up, you have to rate them to embarrass them, man. Because them are trying to do the thing the right way. We're not supposed to get a new tune every week. It's not some music go. Indeed. It's just some artists we are trying to rush the thing and erase the thing and erase the thing. And I said, and then no, it just brought down the thing so bad. You're supposed to do a song. All right, here it go. You're supposed to do a song. You're supposed to do that big song. Here come the yacht stepper, murderer, or Charlie Blacks. Why not buy me body, girl? That song's supposed to mash up the place for 2 years straight everywhere. Yes. And you see, after that 2 year, they remix it again, and it mash up the place for 2 more years or 3 more years.
Definitely.
But true, them not even do no solid it like them song. So them just do some tune where happy and get a hype in at the party, and then now them try rush it again. Next. Me just have a remix, girl call me. Because CJ Russia Jamaica, and you're going to hear that, you're going to hear about it.
Yes, sir.
Because if you notice, me do Stone 30 years ago. And anyway, me go and say, go tell them Stone. Yes, crush, because we are doing music the right and proper way.
Of course. Of course. See? And Yeah, man, I can't. I mean, I agree with you 1000% because I true that it's like we're living in a microwave society. Everybody wants it now. They don't want the food seasoned
And then guess what
and
now?
cooked nice.
So much good artists get crushed in the rush. I mean, even not calling him, but if you notice, what if an artist who even did rise up near cartel again, even too dead again because them a try rush out tune and a try race out tune and a area.
Yeah.
See, big up cartel do what him have to do because you don't know where him buried him incarcerated, and if him worst nightmare is not to be on top. So him have to always have songs.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
See? But most of these you can't just do try to do a solid song, then have to try to do so much mediocre song to keep up.
Yes, of course. Of course. So wow. But you know, this is again. So we are here to honor the quality that you have put into the game.
Yeah.
And I don't want I can't let it be on my conscience that if I have the opportunity to talk to somebody like you, I have to talk about some of the stuff that made me who I am. See it?
Okay, yeah.
So I usually talk about 5 songs, but I have to say with you, choosing 5 songs to talk about with you is extremely difficult because, you know, the earliest songs that I have from you is like 1991.
Yeah. You go as far as back as Preps and them song there.
Before that, still, because I might surprise you.
But you know what always amazes me though is when we talk to people like you and know music. Like I spoke to this girl, she work on Zip, and she was like, "You Powerman that do Preps." And I said, "Oh my God," you know, say she know music to the core. Me like those things.
Yes. So I mean. And I've been a big fan from, you know, from probably the very, very beginning. I don't know if I have your very first tune or whatnot, but I'm gonna go back as far as I can because one of the tunes them that came out, I definitely wanted to talk about, and I just want to get the story behind it, how it came about and everything. So, again, this is very difficult, but I'm gonna do my tune number 1. All right.
Okay.
So this is the first one. This is 1991 release. And let's just see what you have to say about this one. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the living legend, one of the greatest of all time. That is Powerman. All right. Power Stone, Michael Power, Holy Panim. See? So this is tune number 1. All right, let's roll.
That means that I'm not taking the drink just back. I am about cat. I'm woman like that. Watch ya. Me bad. Power. Man me there. I'm in knocking pit night and just stop. Ask like this when the girl them a cry for. Watch me I give them with them a ball fat girl. Cure the foot cause you not so can't spit out y'all. Ball it out the man up in your mouth y'all. When you ready and I want at your heart. And the day you ban you never bite the man. Cause some girl tight. But jungle you girl. Only them out. What I mean? Give back you want some girl tight. But jungle you girl. Only them out. What I mean? Give back you want some girl tight. Just up and walk out. Me happy when you feel them boom boom lean you say them mouth tight for them boom boom me take that in back of you in the dance and you see your best that what just afraid to find pandad and then after that you ball no tight tell a girl so she to step back tight if a girl a suck man so tight if a girl a lick up man watch on a ninja board what you tell the boy them so me have the innocent fear
them tuna responsible for enough gunshot in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. All right, you see Ninja Ford. I go female name Glenn Ford.
Yes.
I would say you sound too much like Ninja in your Ninja Ford. And me responsible for naming whole heap of artists in Jamaica, you know.
Wow. Okay.
Enough of them, but here now with them. With Jamaican artists, they're so ungrateful.
Yes.
When them do an interview, it's like them want to say, boy, you know, say Michael Jackson big me up, or John Oscar, Bob Marley and the Beatles, them, you know. And them man, I just saw them stay.
Yeah.
No one get them fella Jamaican, the ratings worse. if you know they on top at the time when them a do them interview neither.
Yeah.
But we're responsible for a portion of them, man.
Yes,
even Leonard Merciless used to name Sugar Demus and we changed the name.
Wow.
I say, yo, I'm Merciless if you name, you know, your big bad song where you have.
Yeah.
See?
Uh-huh.
Spragga Roots, them used to name, Spragga Benz used to name Spragga Roots. And we said, yes. I used to have this sound near La Benz.
Yeah, La Benz, yeah.
There was Spragga Benz, you know. Zane?
Wow.
You have a next thing near Frisco Kid.
Yeah,
name
man.
Parakid, one parrot me, but through them time they a parrot behavior to me, I say parrot. My youth now bring down be a parroting for me, if I done a parrot behavior already. Here, your name Frisco Kid, get a liquor, a frisky liquor name. Your name Frisco Kid.
Yes.
And I saw we are take care of them. When I tell me a parrot, I youth named Ninja Kid.
Yeah.
Ninja Kid, them a footballer.
Okay.
And we turn them in an artist. I say, yo.
Wow.
You need a Ninja Kid, and every day I say find a song, because my part me and sweetness and baby, and we are giving beer money every day. Yes. And we are saying, no, say we are giving money and it's a turn your list. You have a DJ, you know. And I let him out of the car one day, ask him, let out Ninja Kid out of the car and say, go and go find song.
Yeah.
You stop Pirate Star and you now find a song. And one day him come to me and say, power, here no, me an artist, boom, bye between the girl them leg. And I say, that not ready yet. Come back to me next time and say, boom, bye between the girl them leg. And I say, Ninja Kid, that's still not ready yet. I want them see me and say, yo, come here. Yo, listen this. Have mercy. It's like boom, bye. And I say, Jesus and peace, your boss. And I came down and arrows through there and say, you find it, youth. And I say, later, that youth vice him up, make him do beat. Then they are dub plate about the thing them.
Yes.
And later was the man, and later just say, yo, Stone Love, every big song, Jamrock. And Ninja Kid bust within a week. Have mercy is like
wow.
The biggest song.
Yeah. Because the tune did vice the Stone Love record label still. Yeah. Wow.
So I want to put them remotivate and bring them forward. But what we notice now, when you them get them interview now, them the two member with them, I call some different, some wally for them. Me hear them, I give other people my ratings, and I say other things. I mean, just laugh and say, everything good.
Wow.
Even Lexus, I one of my youth too.
Yeah.
I see him and say, boy, a daddy's screw, and Deli Ranks. And I say, all right, Lenny. But remember, say, me call you on the first big show and tell the people, them say, you and my youth, and you're going to run the place. Then time there, Imal used to name, come to that try follow Spragga. Same that try name Spragga Lexus. So I say, I two name that. Keep one name.
Yes.
And we call him up on the big show. Cause when we notice about him, cause we don't even two have artists like you want me tell you something?
Yeah.
My two greatest new artists of all times is Lexus and Danny English, you know.
Yeah. Of course.
Listen me.
Of
I
course.
know why. Because you see them artists there, me watch them grow. And you see before them have no hit song, them man they will take on any giant where run the place.
Wow.
Them man 4 or 5 in the morning.
Wow.
Right before the giant, and the giant have problem. And what me ask with these new artists nowadays, them afraid of show, them afraid of mic, them afraid of this, them just want
and them afraid of rhythm.
Them afraid of rhythm too. Oh, you know, you give them rhythm and them not, because them can't manage it.
Yeah.
Me not tell them, remember when me a new artist, me afraid of rhythm. But you have to challenge rhythm.
Yeah.
All right, there was a rhythm. Me talk to Flower Gun and Daddy Listen and Red Jack already. And them say, one day them go down at Jammies. And Jammies put on a rhythm. I say, bam, bam, ba, 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 bam, bam, ba, ba, bam, bam, ba, 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 ba. And them say, them stand up and us and look on the rhythm. And I say, where in the world we go put on this rhythm? This rhythm must sound like an old truck, a trailer, everything in a one. And them say when them see Shabba Ranks jump on it and say bam bam, in Jamaica there's a party. I say no sir. And I say go, you have to challenge rhythm.
Yes.
You have to challenge rhythm, but them youth now, them not challenge rhythm from them hear the rhythm. That's why them must stick to the little them little what you call them little pretty rhythm and now the little pretty little something them. But them afraid that a dancehall rhythm.
Yeah, real dancehall rhythm, yeah.
Them afraid of them. Dancehall reggae rhythm with drum and bass and instrument and phrase and chords. So
of
them
course.
got such a little rhythm with them ping 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 ping
yeah,
ping.
Yeah.
Or as a real artist, cause guess I know. You don't want to run on a stage and get one chance to talk. And you yo, change the rhythm there. Yo, what the rhythm there? You kill the vibes. You
track number 9 there. Again. Track number 9 there.
Yeah, track number, yeah. As an artist, me always train say, you have to have some tune as you run on pan. Come you run on pan a man stage, you can't come change a man. You about some artists who have for them set a go on and them call you and get a blind. You think you can't pan Josie William or some man set a talk about, yo, change the track there, yo, put it.
John was star.
Even when they Mr. Shabba ranks, the major mackerel that with their Jamaica. And a major mackerel run and I try to change Shabba rhythm and Shabba say, yo, I don't know. You can't change certain man rhythm.
Wow. So, I mean, but as you know, things and times must change. But I'm probably one of the guys, you know, I don't like the change, to be honest, because the new music, all right, you still have 1 or 2 authentic dancehall out there. But now it's just this new genre of music where you can't put Rihanna on it, Cartel can sit down on it, some Afrobeats man and some trap man from down America. Everybody can see a rhythm, and I don't even know what the rhythm, or what is the music. I don't know what that music is called.
Yeah.
One size fits all.
All right, but no. More time we have to be very careful because you have some people that understand. Changes is good and evolving is good.
It has to.
But sometimes to how it's been done, then it's like it just changed. Braps. It not do no stages.
No.
It not moving on a sequence. It just change bap and it hard for it just force it up and we accept it like that.
Yeah, that's a good point. That's true.
See, but notice all of them new man all across the world will take it on. Them still not take on the real. That's why I see Chronics them come and get so big because them man they come and them challenge. Remember Chronics are little youth, you know. And Chronics come challenge the real rubber dub rhythm them.
Yes. Yes,
you have to rate them man that them come set a standard. Because once you master them rhythm they hard for your fall.
Yes, exactly. A master the craft and also the other thing I noticed, it seems like when I'm speaking to you, the artists them from early 2090s, some 80s, I'm finding out that a lot of nowadays artists, they don't talk to you guys to soak up the game from Uno.
No,
that's
because
the problem.
It's a generation hype and a generation war going, and it should never be like that.
Yes.
See, when we say, all right, you see, when we say Sizzler say, power and hug me and say, a little bit of left, you know, we have to take care of, you know.
Yes,
and then we see some other man, and the man tell me something, I have to hide, because people who want to kill me. Because I guess I'm find out too, it's like, them want kill out, they wouldn't mind kill out the whole of our draw now, just our thing just disappear, and then now them just stand up as be the man.
Yes.
And then the third should have go, them should have try learn from we and
learn, exactly. Yes.
When Mrs. Lieutenant stitch them and bail them is an honor, I feel so good. Because I remember when music come from. Music come from stages where we used to go to studio and wish if Josie William could have look our direction and beg we send them go a shop.
Yes, of course.
And say, you know, who go a shop for today? Josie William, you know. Them young generation of them that depend it is like
no.
For my son them just ban hype and ban rich and ban at and ban everything and ban no more than you and ban better than you. Yo.
Yeah.
Them not even love them father or them mother. None of them the new generation. Them not even put them parents on them phone.
Yes.
It's just all about them. Them just ban and it's just all about them.
Yes. Which unfortunately, I mean, you know, what can we do? Anywho. So I'm gonna go into the second song, right? But before I do, you mentioned one of your biggest hits of all times, which is Stone, right?
Yeah.
So I know that you voiced that tune a few times.
Yeah, I unfortunately I had to.
Yes.
Because in those days, we are used to well and get the bus. And the first man I recorded it for was Ega Parish. Right now, me and him are the best of friends. Right now, I go and bought 8 songs for him and I stick him up for the album. Because I guess I know. When me record Stone for Ega Parish fly gone to New York, I'm not hear from him. And I say, Oh, the man for fly out gone with the big song, I mean, nah, hear from him. Come like, Egg and I deal with the music right now. That kind of music him I deal with. Then I go recorded it. I go record it, me and Sheriff for Bravo.
Yeah.
Bravo, now he was working with Jammies, but Bravo wasn't so smart because him get a chance to bust like Bobby Digital then, because Bobby Digital was one of the man around Jammies.
Yes.
But him did and learn and take care and build him on a castle. But
yes.
it's like Bravo was building his castle, but he was still being a boy for Jammies. So him never get to manifest to be a big man for himself. Because that's all you have to learn, you know, when with the bees and the wasps, you know, you have to learn how to make your honey, you know, and then you have to learn to go build your own castle.
Yes.
So, because Bravo get a chance to get a whole album with Capleton.
Yes.
Because when Capleton come at the studio, you know, Bravo run him out of the studio and never know him, you know. And,
wow.
Yeah, Bravo I said, Power. Them only for money where you bring coming at the studio every minute one of them want a bun and cheese. And me I say, yo, how are the Bravo? You know the youth them and love the youth them and take care of the youth them. Hear them. Hear them. Just happy. Because them time then a producer, a pay man, I buy whole heap of lunch for the studio, soda, liquor, I make man alright and iron and then I pay when I done record. So after a while now, Bravo say, yo, too much money in the studio. And run out, and end up I'll run out all Capleton. And I say, yo, Bravo, you see where you just to look while you see that youth there? He named Capleton. He might go boss. Yeah, oh, boy, me can't take it too much man, money. And I say, come Capleton and call back Capleton nice studio. And Capleton say, you see for that, me go give you a #1 tune. And Capleton girl and I say, you see all of them man them now? When no lotion, woman me lotion, me no lotion, man. Me and Bravo ride on a little scooter, because in those days when we press the record them, we ride on a scooter and drive around and sell them. The whole time, remember. One time my Bravo have a Capleton bank book. When Capleton a little youth, remember when the bank book reach all 50 grand, then the 50 grand enough money.
Yeah.
That's how good Bravo and Capleton did that go on, and then Mr. Bravo make Capleton sleep all time, and because him never, them time them fear think about Capleton and him career, and him still do Jammies work when now pay him.
Yeah.
A fingernail away. If him did that manage Capleton could have pay him.
Wow. And because I remember, I mean, I have that rhythm. And I've got 3 tune on the rhythm. I got Capleton, me have Derek Irie, and Al Planet.
And you know, them time there, I understand me, never understand music as a youth, you know, I guess I know. Everybody I run down for vice pan the rhythm there, because Panic up on the rhythm, I say, me up in there with me going in on me and Johnny P, every man come. And me I say, Bravo, too much man I go pan the rhythm there, man. Give me a different rhythm, and Bravo give me a slow rhythm, and me I say, come now the girl, them just you know, man, them pum pum tired, so them want a new style videos. Galang by that, y'all them did kick up to them tired feet jump up. Them want a new style, we rip the place up, y'all grab it up. Cause you fat tilly buff, y'all grab it up. It come mash up both you know, that's all me and Capleton in argument over it. Cause Capleton end up go vice it too. Y'all grab it. Cause Capleton, remember when come tell me as a little I say, Power man, you have a song around the whole of town. Grab it up, cause you fat tilly buff, y'all girl, and then me hear mid one. And me say, oh that. But in them time, they with us a youth and with us a vice, be a song, and them just a go on and a mash up every little way, but we not even understand the thing on a level of to take it. Cause me can tell you something, I was approached by even Sandak and them and Natty Mag and them back in the days, you know.
Whoa, all right.
And them I say, Power, here, you see if we power with you, and run your thing, and you're gonna be the biggest artist in the world. And I say, yo, we can't deal with that stuff. these men are always heavily armed with some long iron things, and they want to par with me. They must say, yo, everywhere you go, from your ask your money, I get the whole of your money. Any man this year will shoot him. And I say, Jesus, we can't deal with that. See, so me, I one of the man them will get them opportunity. But they say, no. I may decline. I say, yo, music me I deal with, and to the day I still can put on my fingerprint at any borders and clear it. Because you don't see we set up a thing clean.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, we never know, but in a way, come like everything mixed with the music. Nowadays, when I see these young youth, they must screw up them face and they walk with 100 man. And it works for them sometimes.
Sometimes, but yeah.
Sometimes. it come with a dangerous backlash, but it works for them most of the time. It make them get bigger and popular and it make them look humongous. You see me?
Yes.
So when them, so them tend to pick up a whole lot of fans like that. But you don't know. We have to just give thanks and just do the work.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to play one of your biggest songs, but I'm quite sure for the people them that are in here and the people that will see it on YouTube. So before I do that, I just want to big up Dottie Limaki in the house, Danny English in the house, Dan Youth in the house.
Big up Danny English, Dottie Limaki,
big up
Uncle Max.
And Dan Youth, the golden child.
Dan Youth, golden child. Big up your damn self for Miami Youth.
Yeah, man. So, as I said, I'm going to play one of the biggest songs of your career, but it's one that most of us have never heard before. All right?
Okay.
Okay, hold on. So this is tune number 2 for one of the greatest of all time people, Powerman. Listen to tune,
Stone, from the body and run the pin on the red. What is now? They have some little girl at the bottom like the little ass like a windmill. But what you come and do now? 24/7 from the girl and face, man. Hear this. Cause I am stone. Up on my body and if a girl want it, they'll have to come in on my bed. Illegal. Me have my fucking ticket and if my fuck around to dead, nothing not come out. I have to don't want it. And then he just stand up, step high to block it. And then he just stand up, step girl wine. But if you know you can grind, girl, you have to bubble. When me a come from the double and them show me. When you in a debate, girl pretend. Like so your life proper and make up your face. Like you a feel the body is stone. Up on my body and if a girl want it, they'll have to come in on my bed. Illegal. Me have my fucking ticket and if my fuck around to dead, you don't get up. More them want kill man and get wanted.
Why? I'm willing to bet you haven't heard this version in a while, right?
That me I tell you a long time not hear that, but you see, a man like you, we collect that, me know you have it.
Brethren, big man, me love them tune there. You know, every time I get an opportunity, because you know, you go in a dance hall and they can't play tunes where people don't really know about, but everybody knows them two tunes. So every now and then I just sneak them in and people just look for me and say, yo, where the man I play? But everybody knows the sound to them I move.
Yeah.
Wow.
I really think, man, you have to give thanks, man.
I don't know if you remember when you voiced this tune, but you know, the 45 we may have has you and then, you know, Baby Wayne on the B side. I'm wondering if you voiced the tune at the same time.
Yeah, man. Cause I guess I know me and Baby Wayne was partner in crime, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. Baby Wayne is a man now. If my vice 25 times, my vice mama 5 or probably 6.
Yes, definitely.
So when we ready now for the vice, me and Baby Wayne there, this true that jammies and Steely come. Cause you know, me and Steely couldn't agree in a car. Anybody don't know, you see, Steely, Bobby Digital, Jeremy, and all those great producers used to run artists out of the studio, you know. And I like now when man just come and record artists and rare. A man don't know, a man say, oh you know the studio? Come out of the studio, man. So Steely run me out, you know me run a jammies one day. And Steely them a superstar. So when Steely and Cleveland come at jammies, first of all, each of these studio have 5 or 6 gates.
Yes.
They enter through. After you out on the roadside and you enter through that big gate there, you still have a whole heap more gates to enter inside of the studio. And every gate is a challenge. You see how our music was?
Yes.
Every gate was a challenge.
Yes.
I remember me reach the last gate and reach inside of the studio now. That me a top notch. I'm going to sit outside of Steely. The Steely that I play a rhythm for jammies. I'm going to go whisper in a Steely ears and I say, Steely, me an artist, you know. More record a song for you. And Steely say, Boss! How tell you say you can't talk to me? Jammies! So the man comes and call jammies. Then them used to have man with some big thick bad man. We beat out artists out of the studio, come here to listen music and I like no. In those days, the studio them that in the garrison and them want to get the bad man them work.
Yes.
So the big thick bad man them have some button. You see that man call Jamis and Jamis say, Mappy one big giant something, you know. You see when Mappy run come here, they come say, hit, and shut out of the studio. So me a pre-steal now. Cause stealing the man them run me out of his studio. So you know what go on. Yo, it's like me take the man so fast. Yo, I remember if you big up that man here, yes, sir. Cause you say being the man all the time I come and get one interview, me not two member for big him up.
Yeah.
Being the man, me and being the man are two little youth at Waterhouse. Being the man I want I first man put a mic in my hand. Cause it's like being the man is a man who used to live everywhere. So when being the man slip out of Waterhouse and gone some different place, me take over Waterhouse. So he come back and I say, yo, are you name Powerman? And me and him start par. So being the man end up coming go a whole heap of studio. And I respect that.
Wow.
But me I tell you say, you have a place at Waterhouse named Teen Jam now.
Yeah.
Where a being the man them and brother them and some man run around there. So you know say being the man call me up on stage. But me I expect say being the man I go stand up on stage with me and give me the vibes, because I know you call on a man. But
Yeah.
being the man call me up and just run and left me. So it's like the crowd that say, eat that then come from being in and stand up in my food. Boom! And me I say, no, just listen to me, people. And he said, I say, go tell them Stone. They upon the whole place mash up.
Yeah.
Then I say, Stone. Me I say, what kind of miracle song this? Because even me, it amazed. Me I say, everywhere I go and say Stone, that the whole place, people just drop out a tree and jump. Me I say, no, sir. Me I say, what about this a miracle tune?
Yeah.
It's like the people have know it already.
Of course.
Anyway, I tell me go and say Stone. So by this now, Stone start captivate everywhere and just dub plate and just me going and dance, go DJ. So
Yeah.
still here, that 2 weeks ago, still run me out of his studio, them nearly kill me now. So still come in a jam studio yard. Who name Powerman? Who name Powerman? I'm not talk. I'm not like him. I say, oh, still yo. But the man that run me out of studio, I want to see him. So the one me screech you about, yeah, screw up your face. And you the man calling him. I say, hey, but I screech you know, I don't like you know, yo, love me, you know. I don't want to hear him, I don't want to see him. So still he come and say, now you name Powerman. I say, you don't know Star. And I say, a little song now you have named Stone. And I say, yo, you hear me too? A 2 grand feet. You have a son named Silver. Then time the ninja man must say I charge $1,000 for double top price that you know. And me and tell Steely say I told girl me want me come. Me don't want this him. And still laugh. Still laugh because him know why I'm laughing because I know it make me hurt.
Yeah.
So you know, yo, look at you. Stop playing with me, man. Go nice studio. Say you're the world studio. Go nice studio, Power. Go nice studio. So me I say, hey, John no star. So I'm going there and do it for him and dub and baby and dead with him and baby and say, Mama, you murder Rob Ball and Grindsman dead, but Grindsman hot.
Yes.
Grindsman have record around the place full. You must laugh in the atomic. That's like the biggest song in Jamaica.
Yes.
Anyway, that play, for half an hour, gunshot just bust and shoot up the place. So he must say, yo, Steely, I say, Power, I want you come check me later mixing lab studio. I want you bring your little friend. I say, oh, baby, and I say, yeah. So when time me and Baby go check Steely and mixing lab studio, it's like Steely they out at the front and sit down and it get late and him now see we. And I can remember when him see we come out of a taxi, man jump like him say, see the man them here, see the man them here. So we come so now, I'm going to the studio and record it. When time we record it, before we record it, me and Baby I contemplate myself, Baby, a 4/4 time revise this song, you know. We not do it again. Yeah, Baby, you're mad. Your mother bust like a bus now. We can't stop now. And me I say we African, we just advise the same song them. For the man, the whole of the man them gonna find out and me and Baby in a rustle like Reggae wire. Man I say, boy, don't ramp with my bus. Don't ramp with my bus. The world. It a go cause Steely are the big man.
Of course.
And then hear this gone.
Of course.
All right, we're gonna vice it. I'm a vice Stone. All right, before my vice Stone, me I say, look how that song I go mash up the world and it now I can't play upon the radio. Me I say, Stone, they on the treetop. Stone, they on the sea. Come me I say, body head, I go mash it up. I mean, I can't play upon the radio. But me I say, at the same body head I go make it you know.
Of course.
And in those days, we never know nothing about beep. Cause Dave Kelly never come yet. Dave Kelly come in with beep and say, big man have the money, so them are the boss. And the little poor man them to kiss him, boop.
Yes.
When him to say ass. If Dave Kelly was around, oh my, Stone could have become, and then Stone bust so big that you'd think it play on every radio.
Wow.
And it never played on no radio. I remember when I went to England, every vehicle, every car, every bus, every place I go. When Stone around the place, me the kid side of me I sing Stone and I know say I me sing it. People sing it. And if me ever dare tell people say I me sing it, them try to trap me up and kill me. But I say, no man, this is a song you too big, go you sing it. Yeah. I remember every show me get, me feel prove to people say, yeah man, I'm me man. Wow. Cause that song looks so bigger than me.
Definitely. No, that tune. I might have been 10, 11 at that time. I mean, I don't know we even name Stone, but the tune so bad. Me love you. I mean, I sing out. Yo.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Bad tune.
That tune there is a miracle tune. I'm gonna tell a man up to now, me feel like it's an angel give me. Cause in those days, me I ride a bicycle. And one day, me I ride a bicycle, and me there water screen, and the come to me and say, yo, Power, more do a tune. Stone, that on the but by the time I say, yo, where there?
Wow.
I see him back in my life.
Wow.
And I just, the little part them give me. And me I say, Lord, Clement, Stone upon the body. And I say, all right. I mean, I can write it. That tune, there's a real mystery tune.
Well, of course. Yo, big man, I don't want to cut you, but Instagram's gonna lock we out, so I'm gonna lock out and then we're gonna come back in, yeah?
Okay.
Respect. Everybody that's on the live, share the live, come back in. We're gonna go for 1 minute and then we come back. See it? All right. This is part 1, and we are gonna rope in for the second part. All right, cool. Boom. Okay, so welcome back. Wow. So again, I have to thank you again for spending time with us here and giving us all of this history, because you are a walking history book. And I just wish more of us would just sit down and talk to people like you, which have all of this history and knowledge of the game, so we can understand to move forward with our culture. So thank you very much again for being here with us, sir.
Yes, I am.
All right, boom.
Blessings.
Yes, sir. So, your Vice Storm Pan, the most popular version was the one that you did with Steely and Clevie. That was the Giggy rhythm.
Yeah, and then the hip hop one for John, Father and Son.
Yes, Father and Son. Yes, that was the next one.
That was the second biggest. That one was one where Run the Road before it Steely released Theme One.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna ask that. All right. So the Giggy rhythm, which is one of the most popular rhythms in reggae dancehall history, because it came out first with Steely and Clevie, then Colin Fat them have one, Pentos them and Dave Killer them have one, and Rare. So I'm going to play.
Steely actually released Dirtsman pan it first. Watch your speech.
Yes.
Yeah. But them song they never really kick the rhythm the right way, and even Pecos did that body work up for your girl them match up and one feed up on the chart.
Yes.
Come on, man. I'm in the defeat. But when he put out the Baby and the Powerman and the Penny-Harry, the rhythm.
Penny-Harry, yeah. Up there. Definitely. All right, so I'm gonna play another tune you did on the Giggy rhythm, but it was a different production. Again, I know it's Steely and Clevie. Yeah. I just wondering if you what you remember about this one. So we're just gonna go into it a little more. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the living legend that is Powerman. Spread the live, let the world know that Powerman is here, and this is priceless information, exclusive things when we are talking about in this particular chatbot reggae session. So let's roll with this one. This is song number 3 for the one and only Powerman.
Y'all picking it anytime them say them shape like battle. You know that them weak and them a rattle. But brother, can you know they can roll like a circle. Powerman come to a miracle. Hey, nice girl over there, so it just need to roll like a circle. You know, tall and shape like no battle. That's why you like the man them know. I see you run, you know, them just like a circle. Don't you know that's why you like the man them love you. Don't you know not even ball around like a yo. Don't you know, cause you know shape like buckle. Don't you know you run just like a mob.
sir. Wow.
Yes, yeah.
Uh-huh.
But you don't know another song there, no. Big up, cause them time there, we are talking about girl around and shape like Coca-Cola bottle.
Yes.
So you know, say, yeah, you have an artist, the name Agony Polish, they do one but Shaka Bar shape, cause Agony Polish used to part me and be able to, you know.
Saying, all right.
So one day we're there, Arrow Studio, and pick out coming out studio, cause those days, when soundman and producer come, artists attack them and say, yo, I mean him right, you know. I may have that tune here, you know. I want to record that tune here, you know. So, yeah. So I got the Polish catch pick out totally off guard by saying, yo, pick out, me have this fear, you know. And touch him bottom, say the Shaka Bar shape. So pick out and say, what about, yo, what are you talking about? But Polish are trying to tell him, say, I'm about tune for record him, the Shaka Bar shape. It throw a pick out off. Man get ignorant and start cuss and go in that bag of thing. Yeah, man.
Wow. So, oh my word. All right. So that was the Techniques label with Winston Riley. So what was it like? I do remember one time you did tell me that, you know, something did go on between you and Winston or that camp. So would you
I'm gonna tell you what go on with Winston Riley now. Oh my God. Recording a song for Winston Riley. Big up Winston Riley, the living legend. Cause them man there is a perfect producer. You have some, cause nowadays enough artists is not even being produced. Because nowadays the man them just sail the rhythm come here like a boat. And you go to your yard or go to your studio or go to your bathroom or whatever and just sail back a song and give them. In those days that couldn't go on.
Yes.
Record song for Winston Riley was like, like even when you record for Sly and Robbie or Steely them, one song will take all a week sometime or more. Because them tell us, yo, this don't sound good enough. I don't like how that sound. I don't like that part. I don't like this or that. Winston Riley always a complaint. Because I say, when my vice preps to Winston Riley, I three little youth around the place, you know. I three little youth the board, Powerman, Buju Banton, and Baby. So Buju Banton buys a tune say, the way you look good, you make you feel ball out. Look like your ball full now, and Baby being ball. Kinaki can't come around. Come on, just girl picking it round the town. Kinaki, I'm the vice. Girl, you were preps. Because you're some pretty girl, you were preps. Now, every minute now, Winston Riley call me now to change back something in my song. Change back something in my song. Change back something in my song. So me I get ignorant now, me I get a 9. He never stop change that. Till the next thing you know, the man print, when the man print up my song, the man I tell me say the stamper bus after just 1,000 copy sell. I so come my song never get for up there with Buju Banton them song, you know. Because my stamper bus and the man nobody print but the more stamper kind of those days a whole heap of money for make the stamper the little shine something. So in a them time, I pre them to come here and say, oh my, you know, say a Powerman, Buju Banton and Baby Wayne. And Buju Banton sang out a road a go on. Baby Wayne sang a go on. And my song, me about, because even Buju Banton go back in on my melody. Come here and say, girl, you were preps because you could some pretty girl. And Buju go by and next song say, girl, you look how you sweat. Make them know what you say.
Wow.
And them time they are me around the place with melody and me and miss a melody. And me have the melody.
Wow.
And you know, say, the man is like, I'm a first stifle that in a life. Where my song get, me stamp a bus and you don't press but me stamp and me get in contention with the man them and bring the challenge to the man them. So the world I get ear preps, all them for ear preps and the little 1,000 copy we print. So much people know the song.
Wow. That's mad, Star. Because I told you, because that came out in 1992, and Baby Wayne and the Buju are run the place wicked, and then it was later on, that's when I got hold of one of your the preps thing, and I was like, Ross, okay, I didn't even know about it.
My song, if my stamper never bust, my song would have been.
Yeah, of course, of course.
And then, I go through something, and I go through so much things in this business. Why the world I get for no power man, all them for, because even, you see, from a record stone for 5, somebody, me and James was at Hot Water. And And in them time, me is a little youth, I can't go up against them giant there.
Yes.
So, Jammys them come to me and want the album for Stone. And you say, I'm tell him, say, no, because my brother and Jammys did have a dispute over Slim Thing Rhythm, because my brother created the Slim Thing Rhythm for King Jammys.
Oh.
Yeah, and them have a big hot water turmoil go on. Jammys would have offered me, like them I say, yo, Power, we want the Stone album, we have give 100,000. And then 100,000 enough money.
Yeah.
And me I say, me can't do it through me respect my big brother ball to me. I tell me say, them rob me with Slim Thing, you can't do it, you can't. But what me should have do now, me should have just know say, yo, my brother a musician and me an artist.
Yes.
Me should have do the album for Jammys. I know me regret it, because me should have do the album for Jammys and know say, yo, it harder for a producer or an artist if you get a hit album. Because once you get that hit album there, it will open more doors for you and create big opportunities for you.
Wow.
See,
yes.
follow my brother and say, boy, every minute Jammys say, yo, all right, they are 200,000 now, do the album. Me never do the Stone album, so true, me never do the Stone album. Normally when an artist bust and come with a big giant song, the world I look for him, the world I look for the album. Then now, some country them come for camera go to New York for go do 6 shows. This was the icing on the cake. The world are gonna know me now, like when Buju them bust and go foreign and get them 6 shows. You know the first 6 show you get.
Yes.
And then now my brother turned down that 6 show they call them and say, boy, them not take $3,000 show. And the man I say, but a 6 show and for you go America, you have to get more.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, and them I say, no, them not. And then me I youth, so me just anything where them I say, me just say, all right, me just work with him, because me I make whole heap of dub plate money, whole heap of show money, so do you.
So you're nice. So,
yeah, I think not how you get misled in that first part there. Because we never have proper management. See?
Yes.
But them notice the man will have the proper management and the proper team, like the Buju Banton with Jeremy and Pentos and the Beanie Man with Shocking Vibes. Them man they end up reach far.
Yes.
Because if you not have that people that like how if you say about never have that coach there. Him could have more time you can run fast, you know, but you all run and lick up in that things, you know. so
of course.
Other coach they have to guide you and tell you say run that way there, run that straight line there. So I just them thing there.
Wow. Boy, it's like when you talk me down, my ear upon the back of my neck just a turn up. Because when you're talking, it's like, obviously I wasn't there, but when you're talking, it's taking me there. I can see things, I can smell, I can hear, I can feel it.
And then
wow.
Because more time as an artist, music go with luck to it. I mean, you have to just get at the right time sometime.
Yes.
Because someone ever tell you how they meet some people and how that song they get for right and how that song they get for it. Everything just happen that like magic.
Yes.
Yeah, so more time I just a flow there. You have to just always there in the good and the right environment.
Yes. Wow. So again, as I said already, choosing 5 songs for you to talk about was very hard, because I know I'm still in 92. We haven't even got anywhere 93, 97, 2000 something. We may, if you would allow me, have to do a part 2 or something, because this is just too much.
Yeah.
But the next song that we're going to go into, I do believe I saw you recently talking about this one, how it came about. But I would just like you to share that with us here, if it's okay. So it's from one of the biggest producers in reggae history, or music history, period. And for me personally, I believe, this is my favorite Powerman song. All right. So we're going to go into 1992. This is one of my favorite songs of any music genre, but definitely my #1 Powerman song. So we're going to go into it, and I'd love you to speak on it. So people, this is the living legend that is Powerman, Power Stone, Michael Power. And
yeah, man, upfront.
Right. Yeah,
I know whose song you're talking, man.
You don't know already. All right, boom. Yeah.
I know the girls them go sing up to the stomach. I know you put your hand up to the powder, magic plate of evidence, chanting in the back, thing. I'm for my love for that every time. Harvard. I so from the day you born, you never wear no body frock. So that same to me say you a sing and you a shock. From the day you born, you never wear no body things. And that's why you made them not carry feelings. But you look here, as you now wear no body things. You look here, make them want carry feelings. You look here, as you now wear no body frock. You look here, that means say you a sing and you a shock. You look here, as you now wear no body clothes. You look here, so tell you must limbo one pose. You look here, as you now cut a friend. You look here, that means that you bigger your broadcast. And the day you man, you never wear no body truck. So that thing to me say you a sing and you a shock.
Yo, big man. So please tell us about how that came about, working with the big legend that is whoop.
Bobby Digital.
Yes, Bobby Digital. Oh, I always have a drink to Bobby Digital still.
Yeah. Well, you don't know. Yeah, man. R.I.P. the great soul, you know, Bobby Digital. Bobby, are one of the greats, them when.
Yes.
And them man, they are doing and I feel like it. Bobby is the next one to run out of studio. I tell you, say, them man there, them man are not easy. One time I go over Bobby Digital studio, and I say, boss, what you do over here? So, then
no, don't do that.
But team of people start, say them I'm a management team, what? Them book time? I want them book time. All right, them now about work. And cancel about the time for the man, them, you know. That's so cool Bobby was, you know. Cancel about the time. But it go on until same Bobby come back around and say, boy, him want to vice a Powerman. Because the Powerman thing starts swell up more upon everybody. And me a top up and I say, no, vice Bobby too, you know. Bobby is the next man to run me out, you know. And my brother them I say, no man, you're mad. Bobby them a Waterhouse and I see him here. And I say, all right, we are going to go over this song. When we go over there, Garnet still just done record. Prepare a place in your heart. That's how it all start. I mash up the place and newfound love. And then general degree I try record, but general degree song I give be a problem. General degree so when Bobby see me, Bobby get excited and I say, yo, see me DJ, yeah, man. Listen no man ride with him.
Wow.
I said, go round there. And me I say, all girls. I true from the day you're born, you never wear nobody frock. And I show you why me is a melody man. Why am I the melody king from them time they know. You same time I say, true we not care. Cause we not wear nobody frock. We not care. Keep put on say, we not hear. Here we keep put on here. A melody, and me I supply the thing with melody them time. Every melody when me touch, all 7, 8 songs going night.
Yes. Wow.
Yo, one time I said, just because your man him love you and I mind you, some girls see your man and them want to take him to run it. So your man stop crying for you.
Yes.
Me I supply the thing with melody.
Wow.
Some mood like you know make the girl them look so good. Me and Capitan go to Canada. Me, Capitan and Professor Nas go to Canada 1992. One of the biggest show crowd, the crowd humongous. And time I run on and say, Canadian girls, this is on a national anthem. Everybody checks and make us say stone. I say, Buddha like for now, but make the girl them look so good. Their body shapes and I said, must he carve out. The whole place smash up. Capitan come to me and I say, Paul, that's your body. I want it. I say, if you want my song, you can't want my song. My song I mash up the whole place already. The man said, I want it, but me and him was friend like that. But the man in that joke, the man come to Jamaica and go find Dave Kelly. I say, oh man, the way you look good, you make me your feeble. No, all female.
No,
like, the girl look so good. Yeah, it seems like you go big good love Hollywood galadi. And then the man come to the ball. I say, yo, Buju Banton, take it, you know. And I laugh and I say, yeah, can't you Buju say, woman, the way you look so good, you make me your feeble. Kind I see a melody. Me I said, that's not my thing. So I don't know.
Wow.
Spread the melody. Because them time they would just have be a melody just a run.
Wow. Madness. You know, and I'm listening to the tune them. I'm in know every tune. Now I'm hearing them different. I'm like, yo, okay, all right.
Oh, you never put them together.
No, sir. Cause them
You never
different
put them,
rhythm, man.
them I say, my girl in a John I said, stop ball jockey. Just take me body. And me bad. Me never you say body kill nobody. Stop cry. I'm born to kill. I come to me and say, yo, in other melody there now. I want it. I say, yeah. I say, where I say that? And them say, bad man kills you for no perplex. Them go to society. On a nation we go down. But me here now. Me like a man. We take a melody and you have to study feet. Really find out it. Because you have someone who can take your thing. And them terms it in a way. I can tell me say stone. That is true. Tell me say, yo, this is stone. I build a tune half fighting. And I say, yeah. And I say, it's not all you do. You work all the time. Where you stay? So I say, you see that? Because if you never tell me, me wouldn't know. Because more time, some man is such a good writer that them curve it, but at the whole song that them mix half fight and get the whole flow half fight. I saw it for God.
Wow. Woo! All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the living legend. This is the mighty Powerman. So, all right, we've got one song left. So, again, I'm gonna go for another one of your more popular songs, but a rhythm that we don't hear it on all of the time. And this is my favorite version of this tune. See it?
Yeah.
So, wow, I'm just, the history that I'm getting make me head mad star, because I expected to hear some history still, but what you're going into is priceless information. It's like, whew, man. So anyway, this is tune number 5. And yeah, we're just going to go into it right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the legend that is Powerman. So let's go.
Young gifted black and slack. That's me, Power Stone. X-rated to the max. Don't forget that. With a beat, girl. This with discipline there. Watch ya. All girl. Bout she name me Skill and Berry, and she broke man body. When she woke me up, she was only history. Me Skill and Berry, and she broke man body. I bet I feel you could get it, try run from me tell that run. That was my last warning. But you think me not still dating cause guys asking out man alpha. Hospital nearly take that. Me have to make case to put back the cock. I'm up you walk and dash from that. Like catch a king, y'all spring up back. Bout you wanna know how this road drop. Drop so a back, pick up a back. Like a rocket, she fly out of that. Bout you want come sit down on it. But as a little girl make we sit down. It's like I would nearly drop down. Bout you want is my nameless and love. That's the glass, in the house start to mash. That's all the boys run as she attack bout she have the dead foot. Lord, when we touch the clitoris, it's like every
Woo! Wow. So this one you did buy for Store Love, cause them they put the rhythm out and everything. So yes, sir. So the first one was of course Steely and
right.
Baby. So this one is Store Love. So yeah.
In those days, where edit song I never know, because my voice it the dirty way for Stone Love body,
yes.
And then my voice it the clean way for Steely and Baby.
Yes.
And everybody yadi Moodle Miss Kill and Berry you mash up man body.
Wow. Yes. And to be honest, when I do play a dancehall, I mean I select tune and everything, I always draft for that rhythm there. Always. Cause you Ninja Kid.
The
Sabato. Yes.
Sabato.
Yeah. Yes.
You see Sabato now. Sabato is a youth that always tell me say power. We're gonna buy 2 dark glasses. And we're gonna go down at the studio. And we're gonna screw up your face. Then the Sabato start the changes in our music, when me never see car. Me such a nice, jolly youth will love everybody and I laugh at us. I say, power, you can't do that. You can't laugh at them. You're serious. We could go to my studio, we're gonna buy 2 dark glasses and put them on, and we not laugh at nobody. So he said, we come and buy the dark glasses, them and go to a studio and a screw. You see the Mr. Sabato a screw hard, me laugh. Sabato begs with me the whole. They must say, you shouldn't laugh. And I that them young artists here do nowadays.
Yes.
Them have on them glasses and them just screw up them face.
Yes.
And you don't know them. So you say, yo, them man are tough enough. So I just that are going to be a tough face around the place now.
Of course. Wow. Wow. I think, you know, I believe because through all the way a Ninja Man did go on stage and they think that was real.
Yeah.
Super Cat them and then Killer take that on. So a lot of people are looking at these guys and thinking.
Let me tell you something. You see this thing?
Yeah.
I think entertainers are like movie stars. And
they are. Yeah.
We all coincide. I guess I know. If you notice, even the basketballers, it's like no matter what you do, it's like movie star is the ultimate. So it's like the basketballers, the runners, they all want to star in a movie later on. Yes. So this whole thing is a movie. So when the artists them take it serious now and feel like it is really serious, and that's how the problem coming, because we are all acting. We are all showing our acting skills to get in that real movie.
Yes, yes, indeed. Wow.
So one time, and I think Ninja Man did the best displays of that car. Ninja Man told us that he was a gunman and a bad man in such a way that even society loved him.
Yes.
Tell me. He was a great actor. We have to give it to him.
Yes.
How when Ninja come and say, original tenty gunty gunta. You just a laugh. You don't feel no darkness.
No.
You don't feel like him a go shoot you. You don't feel like him a go rob you. Him just do it perfect.
Yes.
And him still maintain him bad man image.
Yes, indeed.
And at that, the artists them, if we're going to say we're bad and we're real, we must do it in a style. That's just the original bad man. Are you bring off your craft like when Juna Demus them say we're not bad man. Juna Demus, man bad, bank of lick. But that big serious thing and I really needed.
Yes, sir.
We are act. We are
act
to get into the movie. We are act. We do music and act. So we're bad. That's we get to do Hollywood later.
Yes,
Simple.
of course. And in doing whatever you're doing in your artistry, of course, you never know who you're going to inspire and how you're going to inspire them in the same way.
All right, look here now. Me do a song say, prison never make me dark. Prisoner me friend them yard. And look here. Everywhere we go in the world, there's somebody to come and hug me and I say, oh man, you see that song there? Yeah. When me there at prison, that song there, it motivate me and carry me through and I say, oh my God, me feel so good. Because it's like them there at prison and somebody remember them.
Yes.
Yes. Normally when you're incarcerated, it's like nobody no remember you. It's like you're gone, you're there.
Yes.
Society done with you. And me I say, prisoner me friend them yard. Prison never make free dog. Cause how that song came about, and it's like me I say, yo, them build prison as somebody, them build it fine, so nobody feel like say, you can't go prison. Anybody can go prison. You need not to be a bad man to go to prison. You cannot drive a car and end up a prison because them say you're charged with manslaughter.
Yes.
So don't look down. When I try to tell them, say, don't look down upon prison. Like everybody where they are prisoner, murder and rob and rape and killer.
Of course.
You don't know where you can end up a prison. Enough innocent people there are prison.
Yeah. Yeah.
So me I say prison never make for dog.
Of course.
Saying anybody can go to prison, that's the whole moral of the story.
Of course.
And I never knew that. All right. Me do some song where some big underground song where the world never lift up and put on the pinnacle as a giant hit. But me all right with the underground it when me get out of it because the love is humongous.
Yes. Well, I definitely put them up there.
Yeah. DJ Reef.
So I mean, so if we're talking about that, you did voice that tune for
Shocking
Vibes, yeah, and they're bada rhythm.
Yeah, you hear that song came about now, cause yes or no? You see Shocking Vibes them now. Shocking Vibes them always want me sign to them and I say, yo, me not to sign, you know. Saying because I say them have too much artists in them camp and them not get for focus and me never like how them deal with them thing. 5-6 man and when time them come from tour me I watch and I say, oh money for share and oh money for run and them thing there. And I say, yo, me not too depend that in so. Yeah. After me do girl call me, cause me do whole heap of song for them. Me do a song pan the rhythm I say, The girl them one of the first songs I'm start get big money for pan check from PRS. The girl them look good. I told them I eat good food.
Yes.
And everybody them go back them demand them I choose I to them special. All them credential. And everybody them come in the man feel official me up. Girl what's up? And you man I focus pan now. Girl what's up? Then the Sanchez upon falling love. I never wanna fall. And that song there shut up the world and me I get some big.
Of course.
Big 50 grand check and 100 grand check and one day I'm going to tell Patrick, say, yo, you want so much money, me I can't off of that check. Yo, I never get back on that check. Patrick say, lie. I don't know what the man going to do. Like the man going to tighten up him thing and call the people them. I don't get back no more check off of that tune there. So then I know, say, after me do girl call me. All right, what me do if a girl call me for shocking vibes? I 2 songs my voice on the rhythm. My voice 2 songs. My voice are different when the pan rhythm there. I said, bad man no live by no land. That
was
yeah. Me have a song pan the rhythm there and a song pan the put on the rhythm.
I've got it here. Interview with Neil.
In your interview.
Yeah.
Interview me girl them behind me back conducts me girl them if me can't slap. Patrick said, me nah really a 1 song alone me release cause you nah sign with it. If you sign me release the 2 songs them, I'm gonna say, yo. You can imagine if me did have them 2 songs there. Girl call me on that song there.
Yeah.
But yo, girl call me alone in my release. So I say, all right, and him release, girl, a long, must years after I release interview.
Yes.
So you know, say, when after him do girl call me and girl call me go number 1. Them come with that shocking bells come with that next to them name. Sunday Margalas, them come, Sunday Champion, them come.
Yeah.
And one time I go to the studio. I snag a push them, I say, and the whole of the man, I say, power, we vote you out, you now go pan already because you don't sign. What? A big guy want to drop out of my eye. I say, yo, what the man am I dealing? The man say, oh, you mean you not sign, you can't. So I miss that rhythm there. So
wow.
Them come, send the champion, them come. Because them tell them me a fire, you know, I know somebody go number 1, you know.
Wow.
And then, them come with that next rhythm, I say, war. And then I say, power. We are letting in back for now and you know. And I feel glad. I say, serious things are go up. Straight to number 1. Them I say, yo, what kind of man this? So me they still not sign. So them come with the next with them name Bada. Go so Bada. Go so Bada. And I say, you now go for now one. So me I'm being the man the vice next one. You say the fire burn. How burn it up. And them tune they are go on. 6 months down the road now, the rhythms are fade like. I say, yo, I need the rhythm, you know. And I say, all right, because them have it said the rhythm done now and boiled down. And I just go on it and say, prison never make feed that. I shot the rhythm and say, what kind of man this?
Of course.
The man shot the rhythm and turned the rhythm upon the dying.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Okay, so that explains a lot because you have 1 or 2 that I have of, you know, when you did Vibes for Shocking Vibes and they tune them bad.
Enough of them and them not release the right time when them for release.
Yes.
It's like them release them all 4 or 5. All right, all the time being the man of a song pan say, but the East Indian rhythm, or that tune they go, being the man of a tune pan the East Indian rhythm.
No, it was the chronic rhythm.
The chronic rhythm.
Yes.
Being the man, I say, boy, I immediately attacking at me. I say, I use them ratings on not a cute to give hold. Or them period some make a fool on your back of bus hole. Every style of me bus boy see me not like hole. And I tell people about them, I roll them a fool. Them never released a song there. Wow. A long years after them release it.
Wow. That's that's amazing. You know, I do know that you did a tune on the Colin Fata of a rhythm in '95 with it was called the Virgin Giggy. It was a rhythm that Monster shot to them little the men decided to do you remember remix? Yeah, so you did Vice a tune on the rhythm, but the 45 I'd never seen it anywhere. It was never released anywhere. So do you remember what happened there? Because the 45 tune.
Who sure? Colin Fata?
Yes, 95 this was.
Virgin Giggy. I want things that are going on with Colin Fata, and I guess I know. Me can't tell the world now. And me around it make Monster Shock crew. See? When me around it I build Monster Shock crew, General B a little youth. General B our little youth. General B and Frisco Kid, I fight for power and I'm a BMW them time there. 2 little youth and me I say, yo, if I don't stop fight, I can stop power, don't know. Ghost, they are ghost and culture.
Yeah.
Ghost, they are ghost and culture. So when me around it I build a Monster Shock, me call it Monster Crew. Around it I say, no, Monster Shock. Because we did have a little place a pop in, a little shock like where we go right through a daytime. But then time now, me did have a crew named Stone Crew a Waterhouse and now behave themselves. So me never want to name it Stone Crew.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
All right, me I give you the first preference.
Wow.
For name it. And then now, it's like when the thing build, and the thing I gonna make money. Monster Shock. The first show we get, we go over Fort Clarence. And we do a show near Fresh. Carl Sabatooth did in a Monster Shock crew, you know. Zane? Sabatooth, enough of we all screeches do. Enough man did that, but then now them start chop it down because them say money now go share. So it chop down to 5 man. Powerman, Sabatooth, General B rounded and Ghost. Zane Carl culture get kicked out. Some people, some white man come from Austria. I think that them link up with Sharon Burke and them there from an uptown place. Them uptown place in New Kingston, and the 5 man them come with 25,000 US. They get each other with 5,000 US. See it because them as the crew. Then I know say, Ghost say him alone want 15 grand. So I say to him say him alone want 15 grand. So the white man come to me in a band and I say, poor man, Ghost alone want 15 grand. Ghost is the only singer. So I say to him the only singer, him a figure. I know me just come and play the big man and say, yo, here, Saba, me see where I go up me now. Me don't know about you, but me a step back. Me I just loud them with that thing. Saying the monster thing, now I go work. And the man them not even fight through. The man them just say, yo, Ghost get him 15 grand. Because you know, every man suck up to Ghost and give Ghost his 15 grand. Man them would have suck up to Ghost and take all 2 grand and grand 5 and 3 grand just to make the thing work. Because Ghost are the only singer. So I say, yo, me back up and loud them and say, yo, me not got up on a thing. I'm going to move on, forget a whole heap of number 1 by my own.
Yes.
After that. Saying, so I saw them thing that got us the history. But
of course.
I love the whole of the man them see me.
Yeah. It's a family thing.
But so true that now, you talk about the Colin Fatter now. So true that now, Colin Fatter was a man now where all in a Monster Shock. So anything where them say. Because even when they Do You Remember remix a record, I was right there. I was standing there. I was touching them. Them I say, Powerman. The whole studio say Powerman. And everybody, all of them pretend they don't hear me. Because even General B in a Do You Remember remix and him don't have no hits. If you sing Do You Remember it, you see what me I say? And the whole of the man them dead and the whole studio say Power. And I'm not in there. So any song where you don't say with me for Colin Fatter, me can't explain it. Because hear me know now. Big up Terror Fabulous them. Big up the whole of the man them. See? But the whole of the man them are my youth.
Yes.
Terror Fabulous. Listen stone. When I say girl sit down pan it, and then he can stand up sick and come to me and say, Powerman, me a build a song after that, you know. If you want, come sit down pan me body. There at me now stop you. I say, yes, you it sound good. Terror,
sit down.
Terror come become a giant. I'm rate and respect that. Him never show me bad face yet. Me show him love. Me know him rate me and me rate him. But more time, the people them different. The people them, just like our Bounty Boss Mavada. You have people who just rise up and say, Mavada, Wicked and Bounty, and adapt them and say, Bounty Boss Cartel, but them just say Cartel, Wicked and Bounty, and them the business both who boss who or who rise who.
Yes.
I just saw people stay.
Yes.
So are you know if you're strong as an artist and never make people force bad mind in you?
Of course.
You are trying with a little youth, and the people them just start saying the little youth bad on you. And you are trying to help this little youth to reach somewhere in our life.
Of course.
That's how people is. And that's why out of every artist until today, me and Baby Wayne, God rest his soul.
Yes.
Me and Baby Wayne have the best respect for each other in the world. Me I thought that now with a little bit of eye water in my eye.
Yes.
Now with Baby Wayne. Me and Baby never tried this one another yet. See? Me and Baby never tried this one another yet. If Baby not go a shop, he must say, Power, me and walk go a shop. Must say, Power. If you look for any show, as Baby get the mic, he must say, Power, man, where you there?
Wow.
He never try prove all the world. I tell him, say, and me introduce Baby into the world. And all the world I tell him, say, him better and power man, him bigger and power man, him greater than me. Him never make me feel so one day yet.
Wow. I mean, everything we go on in Jamaica, we hear it at England still. So, I mean, and every single sound tape and the video, the man stage show and everything, every time me say Baby Wayne anywhere, Power Man did it. Everywhere. So I know that you two were very close and many rhythms, you know, he done a tune on the rhythm, you have a tune on the rhythm. So I understand this is definitely a family brother connection here. So I appreciate that you can talk about it.
All right, I want to tell you something. People say Baby Wayne was a cokehead, saying whatever Baby Wayne was doing, he was doing years before me meet him.
Yes.
Years before me even get popular.
That's
so
what
when
Ronald
me
said.
Baby Wayne, I read always. So it took me a while. Oh, me know when Baby Wayne I take coke now. Me Baby Wayne are here and sweetness, so I make so much money that we start live a hotel. We live a hotel for 1 year, because them time that the garrison is like all when you go your area, it's like all 100 man I wait for you.
Yes.
See? 100 man I wait for you. So then it get frustrating. Because like every day we are giving out 100,000, 200,000. If you notice now, none of them look young youth, them not giving nobody no money. You're not even see them nowhere. But in those days, we come see Shabarangs and give you money. And we come see Josie will give you money. So we are the norm to give you money. But you can't just give you money every day. So you have to save money. And it's like more than the guys, so them never understood that.
Yes.
So we have to end up start, live a hotel. So we live a hotel for a year. Imagine you live a hotel for a year. and Baby ended up on the top floor. So one day, we are here and sitting this now. We're there downstairs at the hotel, in the hotel yard. And when we look up at Baby room, up the dark, but it has smoke. So we say, who are going up there? So we run, go up in room and kick off the door and look. It's like Baby ended up smoke and end up drop asleep. Me find out Skella was smoking about. When me said it, I said that now. Baby Wayne was such a nice cokehead that you would not never know that.
Yes.
Baby was one, because normally they have so much bad things to say about cokehead. Feel like cokehead always a scrabble for money. Cokehead all a beg your money. And Baby Wayne was never like that. Baby Wayne was a man, anytime him say, Power, you have money. Him always, I say, yeah, man, me have money. Him still a push a 10 pack in a man. Me say, how kind of man this man?
Yeah.
Baby Wayne always have money.
Yes.
Always have money.
Yes.
And from him say, I say, Power, you have money? You have money? Me say, yeah, man, me have money, man. Cool, man. Man, still a give you money.
Yes. Wow. 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 Thank you for sharing this with us. Wow. Because Baby Wayne, I mean, I always, whenever I go out and me play a dance or whatever, Baby Wayne tune I have to play on every single one of them. You know, so hearing this, and you know, when we heard that he had gone and everything, it was very heart-wrenching for us, the fans. I mean, I didn't know him, of course you did, so it was different for you, but for us, you know, we lost a piece of
man, music. Baby and just get caught up in our thing. One more time, me and him they attack and me I say, yo, my youth, you not stop, and him I say, Power, it hard, you know.
Yeah.
Hard. Me can't go to the hospital, me can't go to university, rehabilitation center with the whole of the something them pan him, them hook him up with the whole part, you know, them the whole part tube them.
Yes.
And be able to bust off the tube them and escape. I end up go take drugs and some whole heap of bomb come pan him. Cause you know say you have the whole heap of drugs in there. When the doctor them are reckon you're not supposed to take drugs. So Trim go do that now. A bag of thing reach him.
Wow.
Yeah. Me and him all drive more time. Cause if I want baby and for a show, me have to have him like 3 days before.
Yes, yes.
And I
Yeah.
try to make him happy.
Yeah.
Sometime when it reaches the 3rd day, baby and get mad. And him dopey take him and I say, Pala, yeah, I'm not bother one go to show them. And I say, Skella, how you mean you know one bother go to show? How have the people them wally for money? Yeah, Pala, mama tell us something. Yeah, I'm not depend that you know. And the car drive fast on the way to the show, baby. And I say, yo, stop that car and I'm gonna jump out, you know. And I say, baby, you know what you do? And the man pull the car door. And I say, you think you're gonna make people say, me kill a car, you better than me? Just stop the car. Say, come out and go on, because I know people bad mind and go talk, say, me kill you, because you're better than me, because some people stay. But when him ready to go, him ready to go.
Yes, of course. You can't force a man nothing. You can't force it.
You can't force a man nothing, so I have to just stop the car enough time and let him out.
Wow. Wow, wow.
So when you let him out, 1 week after you see him, people sure just get mashed up.
Yeah.
What about him? Remember when IRFM banned Baby Wayne, because him to do a tune near Wide River Reggae Bash. Baby Wayne never show.
Wow.
And them announced it, say, Baby Wayne is banned from IRFM, and then you don't know what go on. Baby Wayne have the big song where we go #1 in a Mama. The song stuck at #2 all long. Because everybody start fighting now. Because to turn up a beat, people showing to turn up.
Yes. Yes.
So that was quite unfortunate more time when you're an artist and you start get them fight there.
Yes, yes, yes. But unfortunately, I saw the game go. You know, it's just how things are. So, wow. You did say something which I have always said. In 1992, it's like something opened. There was a gate that opened in terms of the people were boss in a 92. Holy man boss a 92. So you have, I mean, Buju Bantam was there already. Beanie Man, no.
I'm telling you now. It was a wave a little you started bursting.
Yes.
I think me and one man will contribute to that.
Definitely, that's what I was gonna say. You open the door for them. Yeah.
Be a big man a boss like General Trees and Admiral Bailey and Stitchy. I mean, big growing man where and artists used to have to look a certain type of way, walk a certain type of way, talk a certain type of way, act a certain type of way.
Yes.
Me are one of the first artists now where just look simple. And me come boss. Because them never expect that. Most people think me was a singer. Me just look cool. Some people say I'm good looking and me look like me a singer. What me I try to explain to you, you have to be a shabarang, so shabarangs look rough and rugged and walk a certain way and talk a certain way like Juna Demos them and that type of thing that people are look upon to be an artist. Once me come and bust now, a Bailey you would start bust now. Buju Bantan start bust, Terra Fabulous start bust.
Yes.
You see what I mean?
Yes.
Mega Bantan them, Jigsy King, Galaxy P, be a youth where just look just some nice school going youth.
Yes, yes, yes.
Start bust.
Simple tandem. I mean, again, so you open the door for the wall of them to just come through because you were already hot. Already.
Yeah.
To be, I mean, so just before that 92 gate opened, it was you, Penny Harry, Grindman, and Mad Cabra. The four of you lot were running things hot because everybody, I mean, the rest of the man that were there before that were 80s man them. You know?
Yeah.
So bigger than the 80s. Yeah. And Capitan too. Yeah.
Tiger, Capitan,
Yeah. So it's 5 of you opened the door for everybody with boss in a 92. And then there was a few that came after in a 93. So you have Frisco Kid, Beanie Man and Bounty Killer, them boss in a 93, even though they were there before, but they boss in 93.
Yeah,
Spragga Benz them. But you were there for the whole way, just steering, you know, you were at the driving seat, steering the car of how reggae dancehall was going. So I have to salute you for that and thank you so much.
Enough blessings, man.
Yes. So I do say this a lot that, you know, if you lose money, you can't get it back and more. And if you lose a woman, if you have it in you, you will get more. but time is something that is spent that you can never get back. So I'm very, very, very appreciative that you spent this time with me here on the Chat About Reggae session, and you've given us some priceless information that I couldn't even imagine. So again, I've said this and I will say it again. I'm not stop saying I won't apologize. You are definitely one of the greatest of all times. And I don't care who wants to argue that. Anybody out there wants to argue, come check me and we will debate that. How we have to tune them for prove it. See it? So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
One of the people them look out for Gala call me remix.
Yes.
Yeah, that's gonna be terrible.
Yes, I can imagine.
That saying, I may have so much tunes to talk about. Big up NLK record. Me have 2 songs. I come out on them rhythm. Blessings are follow you. God cover all of you. And I tune in Guineas and Black Hands. Zane, when we try find back that stone there. 1 Guineas and a Black Hands. Make the thing start bust like a 6-pence. She cut it up in the air from a distance. Me still a clap it on. I had me no response. Yo, right now, Powerman, if I was powerful 92, me I tell you within myself, I'm more powerful. 200%. Yes. Understand the business more. And I have so much in me.
Yes, yeah, man. Clearly.
Not just prepare yourself and get ready for this. Zane, pick up Reggae Marlon to you don't know. Me have Wally Patrona come. Pa Reggae Vibes label, a true name. Happy with life, we no see nobody life where we are. And me love the pom-pom, we love the pom-pom. I just be a poor man, I hit them right, left and center, you don't know. Yo! Candyman! Yes. Let me give you a live jingle. Candyman! Handbrake! Mind your boss, the van brake. You just a rev and a rev and a rev and a rev and a rev.
Pop. Yo, Powerman. As you know, we did 5 songs and we didn't even reach 93. So I would love to be able to do another session where we can make time. I'll work with your schedule, but if you would afford me that, I'll be very grateful. And I do everything in my power to push and to let the people them know say Powerman did bad, him is bad, and he will be bad. See it?
Badder. Is there a word like badder?
See it there?
Badder. Yo, follow me on IG, my people.
Yes.
Score, man, 876.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, you don't know.
Yes.
You know we do when we do what we do. You know we win town and spin town. Whole fucking place. Yo, man. 45. Could have never laughed.
Yes, man. Yo, big man. I will say this. Thank you again, and I hope you enjoy your day. I'm just gonna edit this and make it pretty up, and then stick it on YouTube. I'll give you all the information. If you need any of the tune them when we did play, if you don't have them, let me know.
Man.
See it?
Yeah, man. You don't watch nothing, man. Me keep the link. Just go and do your thing, man.
Yes.
Candyman. Up.
Respect. Wow. Yo, people. I'm at a loss for words. Totally at loss for words here. Wow. The information, the history. Yo, Jati Jr., big it up. Selector SP, big it up. Wiz, I see it. Big it up. Everybody that logged in. Woo! Yo, Rocco, big it up, man. How you mean? There's a lot to talk about in this particular show. The information and the history that we got here is a huge freebie. Importer, big up. Wow. And you know what? We're not finished for the day, because in an hour, basically, we have Angie Angel coming in here on the Chat About Reggae forum with me here today. So, whew. Wow. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna play 1 or 2 tunes from Powerman, and then we go out of it. For those who don't know, check me out on YouTube. That's Candyman 45 Shop, or you type in Chat About Reggae, and then you'll get the other interviews that are on there. Wow. I'm at a loss for words. All right, so I'm just gonna spin maybe like 2 tunes or something, and then we're gone. See, so we're still on the Powerman business. Yes, Angie Angel. You know what? You see the thing with Angie Angel, right? There was some 45 tune then where we did have on my list that I've actually sent and I've bought them, but they haven't come. So I wasn't able to go as deep as I would like to with Angie Angel, but we're still gonna go. You know, we're still gonna have a great share, and you know, we need to get her story and her voice got to be heard. So you know, we'll just do that. Anyway, 2 tune and then we're gone. So Powerman. Let me play this one. This is one of my favorites. Anyway, this one a regular tune, but we all love it. Same way. So, but.
Man is them. I got good man for the land run things. But man, what do some man? Some men go like a clown, make girl have them all around. They came to Powerman and be able to watch her. Out in the Misty Lamberry, I'm a short man body. Let I the little girl, they try run from me. Misty Lamberry, I'm a short man body. Let I the little girl, they try run from me. Tell her grown, that was my last warning. But she think me in a skin teeth in cars. Girl gone drop on her back. Hospital nearly take job. To the Powerman, yes, me and me dress back. I'm going to you a time that's fun that again. Like a chicken, girl spring up back. Bout you want to know how this was drop. What drop so up and pick up a back. Like a rock.
We're doing Kid Corrupt is passing through tomorrow.
Young the dog, but as the little girl make this tongue. It's like the whole of the house a mash tongue. Like a lizard and me, she come lap. That's why the glass in the house start to mash. That's how the bulb run up and burst. And she have to bout she have to dispose. The Powerman she get me bout she name me skill and berry. I'm a short man body. Let I the little girl it try run from me. Me skill and berry. I'm a short man body. Watch out. It's like Powerman bust out this phone and left it to them. But them can't flick phone and it's a cause a problem. Why? Why people fling it for him on a girlfriend? And he said that another man a fling it then cause. While him a fling it, she cut in her head. She want a man like me where you me the loving gorilla. Love girl with all and make them get shorter. Make them get thirsty after oxy water. More them get the love in that, the more them get them start water. The girl them look good, I told them I eat good food. And everywhere them go and them the man, them I choose to them special. About them credentials. And every time I see them always look official. Me ask them girl what's up. I human I feel for fun. About them